Hey guys, welcome. So I am going to show you how to do a t-shirt real quick. We are going to make a promoted to great grandma t-shirt. So when you go into Design Space and you pick your design and you put it on to be printed, please do not forget to mirror your design. So my phone rang while I was making this, and I will tell you, honestly, this is the third time I've printed it, and because my phone kept ringing. Well, every time my phone rang, I got caught up and forgot to mirror the image. So nothing worse than getting to your t-shirt to a point of done and then realizing that you forgot to mirror your image. So that's actually why I'm doing this video. Let me show you. Oh, let me turn this around. So there was a young girl who showed a video on how to take off vinyl when you make a mistake off of a shirt. So I'll see if I can't find that video and, share the link to it, because I didn't even know you could do it. I'm going to have to try and do it. But as you can see, it is turned around. So in the camera right now, it looks perfect. Well, no, it's turned. So this was a nice long sleeve t-shirt that I bought from my mom also, since it's getting cool. I am going to see if I can get the stuff off. So anyways, that is really the biggest reason why I'm doing this video, and it's going to be quick. I'm not showing you bringing up the file or anything, because really it's just a reminder to make sure you remember to mirror your image. Okay, so I have my heat press at 340. I have my image. Now, when I'm doing adult shirts, I take them, I fold them in half to get my middle. So adult shirts from small through large, I make either 9 to 9.5 inches on the design. And then I go 3 to 3.5 inches down from the neckline to start. Okay. And then for me, I like to fold it in half to get my middle. You can certainly lay it out, measure it, do all of those good things. Now, I tend to be an eyeballer on these things because, I've done a lot of them, so I tend to be pretty good at eyeballing. But from the center of the neck, you're going to measure down 3 to 3.5 inches, okay? And then, so what I do is then I take my image and fold it in half. Now, make sure that it's not the sticky sides together, because you'll have another mess, okay? So fold it in half. And then you go down to where you want on your neckline, and then go to the fold mark, and you should be right in your center. Okay? So That's about right. Yep, all right. Oh, didn't mean to. I was trying to straighten it out a little bit and I pulled it up. Okay, so now I have my Cricut heat press mat, and it'll tell you this side down. So I put that in the center. Of my shirt. Yeah, I really liked that long sleeve blue with the white glitter vinyl, and that was the last of that white that I had. You know, I have some small little scrap pieces left, but as far as having a big piece to actually do something with, and this is some of my favorite glitter vinyl. So another tip for you as you're buying vinyl, if you're newer to this, so when I first started buying, I bought this particular heat transfer vinyl, and I bought a lot of it. So, I mean, all this time later, I still have a little bit left, not much. However, I never like wrote down where I got it or the name, and there's nothing on it that has the name. So now if it doesn't say the name on the product itself, I, you know, put a little tag on it because I can't find this vinyl again to save the life of me, and I really love it. All right, so now we're all ready. We're gonna have to do this in kind of two because it's just a little bit big. We're gonna go for 30 seconds and just a steady pressure down. You don't want to slide it around like that ironing motion. I'm really bad about doing that when I'm using the regular iron. The heat press, it doesn't like automatically go to my brain to do it, but the regular iron, it does. And I have messed up some projects because of it. Where I'm overlapping, I mean, I probably really could have done 15 seconds instead of 30. And then just went back on my ends instead of doing so much heat to the center. But this vinyl's pretty tough, so it's okay. All right. Yeah, so I'm so upset that I ruined that shirt. So, but I think that our mistakes are where we learn, so I wanted to share it with you. Off. And here's our finished product. And this time, it's going in the right direction. All right, hey, listen, I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, please hit subscribe. I don't know if I can link somebody else's video to mine. That might not be like the right thing to do. However, in the description, I will put the name of the video that shows how to take off the heat transfer vinyl, so that if that's something that you need to see, you'll be able to find it. Okay? All right. Hey, listen, you guys have a blessed rest of the day, and thank you so much for joining me. Bye.